Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about queue as abstract data type, part of data structures using C++ course. A queue as an abstract data type is a data structure that follows the first in, first out principle, that is FIFO, meaning that the first item added to the queue will be the first one to be removed. It can be implemented using arrays, linked lists, or other data structures. In C++, the queue can be implemented using STL, that is Standard Template Library, queue container. The basic operations of a queue are enqueue, dequeue, front, and rear. Enqueue operation adds an item to the end of the queue. Dequeue removes the item from the front of the queue. Front returns the item at the front of the queue, and rear returns the item at the end of the queue. Here is a simple C++ example that implements a queue using an array. In this example, the queue class implements a queue using an array items. The front and rear are both -1, indicating an empty queue. The isFull method returns true if the rear is one position ahead of the front in the circular array. The enqueue method adds an element to the end of the queue by updating the rear index. The dequeue method removes the element from the front of the queue by updating the front index. And in the main method, we create a queue object and use the enqueue method to add 3 integers, and then we are using dequeue methods to dequeue those items and print them in the console. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.